What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlogs. I got a special video for you today. We are finally, like I mentioned in the last one and the previous one, we're finally going to be installing the carbon fiber mirror caps. So I have those in the back seat, which I'll pull out in just a sec. And there's apparently a little spider on my car. Hey there, little buddy. He's trying to make a little web everywhere. I'm like, nope, not today. Yeah, not today, sir. Anyways, yep, so we got the carbon fiber mirror caps. We're going to be installing those today. Man, this little guy's everywhere all over my car. Jeez. But yeah, we're going to go to the shop here in just a minute and get that installed. And we'll see how easy it is or how hard it is. I actually have never done it before, so I've only watched a video on how to do it. So I'm a little nervous on doing it, but we'll see how it goes. So, but yeah, we're out here on the farm. Beautiful spot. Beautiful day. It's around 60 degrees, so not too cold, not too hot. It's perfect weather, perfect. Got the little puppy out here. We're headed to the shop right now. It's just down the way. Podcast that I did about the car group up in Bowling Green. Don't mind the beeping of the seatbelt. That went really well, so I'm very, very pleased with that. They're very happy with the content, and give me a comment if you listen to that podcast. I'm very interested to hear what you all thought about it. If you all listen to it, it's on Spotify. I'll link their Spotify podcast show down below. Definitely go check them out. But we are actually pulling up to the shop right now, and we're gonna get this started. We're in the shop, and I have the package. This has the carbon fiber mirror caps for my 2015 Volkswagen Passat in it. This is by Euro Tuning Performance Parts. Let me go get a knife, and we'll crack this thing open. All right, let's do this. Oh boy, I'm very excited to see what these things look like. Definitely want to be careful with them. All right, cool. We'll win $100 gift card. You can win a little $100 there. A little packaging receipt. And now, so here, oh look at that. Got a little Euro Tuning sticker. I'm gonna put that with all my other stickers that I have, but I gotta figure out where I'm putting all the stickers. I have a bunch of stickers somewhere, but I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put them all. I don't know yet. Man, they really wrapped this well. Ooh, boy, look at this. Wow. Man, these things. Oh, man. These things are going to be nice. Oh, boy. Look at these. Let's see here. Wow. Look at that. That is just beautiful. We're gonna start by taking off the old mirror caps and seeing what we're working with here. I'm gonna start with the left side, just because it's easier. It's on this side already. So let's go ahead and start by taking off the glass, and we'll go from there. So let me figure out where to set you all up. So we're gonna actually have to take this off first here somehow. So I gotta figure out how to do that safely without breaking the mirror or anything like that. So. figured it out. It's a lot easier than I was making it. Basically what you're going to want to do is just get something underneath here and pop it off. Well, there goes that. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 of the carbon fiber mirror cap install. Yesterday, we actually ended up accidentally cracking one of the mirror caps, the driver's side one. So that is why I'm splitting this up into a 2-day video. Today we're actually gonna be heading to the shop, one of my buddy's shops, who hopefully can help us take them off. I'm pretty sure he can. We're gonna find out. I've worked with him before as far as other things on the car. It is 43 degrees out, so it is way too cold for me. First stop is Starbucks. We gotta get a little Starbucks in us because I'm hungry and I need energy. Got the Starbucks, got our little peppermint hot chocolate here. This is my seasonal favorite drink. Definitely my favorite of the winter season, I guess you could say. If any of you all go to Starbucks, and I know that a lot of people do go to Starbucks, if you do not have the app, the Starbucks app, I highly recommend you get it. It gets you points, which you can redeem for free coffee and apparel of theirs. Whenever you reach enough points. So I definitely recommend doing that if you're not already a Starbucks Rewards member. It takes no time at all to sign up. I actually did it in line one day in the drive-thru. I signed up in line within, I think it took like 3 minutes, something like that. It was no time at all, so I definitely recommend that. I'm just excited to get these mirror caps on. I really hope they fit. If they don't fit, I'm gonna be sad. Last time I went to Starbucks, I got their peppermint mocha thinking it was the peppermint hot chocolate. And I didn't like it. For some reason, it did not taste. Peppermint and coffee just don't go well together, but peppermint and chocolate, like hot chocolate, so good, so good. So I'm hoping I can get, when I get there, I'm hoping to see if I can do a little behind the scenes in the bay filming of them taking the mirror caps off and putting the new ones on. And I'm hoping I can get in now. If not, then basically what I'm gonna try to do is have them film for me, because I really want to show you all the before and after. I know that you've seen this car a few times now, but it's still cool doing a transformation like that. I think these mirror caps are gonna make so much difference in this car. I mean, we were putting it up, we were putting the mirror caps up to the car yesterday, and it was like, wow. So we're pulling up to the shop now. We have about 25 minutes left before they open, so we've definitely got some time on our hands. So I'm gonna sit in the parking lot, eat, and then we'll go from there. As a quick change of plans, first stop does not do any body work, which I did not know about. This place does not have any of the trim tools to be able to remove any body panels, and they don't want to risk breaking the mirror caps like I've already done. So we're gonna head over there, and I'll update you all once we are over there. Quick update, I'm here at the shop. I'm not gonna disclose the name. They do not want me to disclose the name of the shop, so but basically we have it scheduled to come in at 4 p.m. today. So I'm gonna go get some work done, and then I'm gonna come back around 4, and we're gonna get these carbon fiber mirror caps put on. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm really excited, and I get to film the whole thing, so you all will be able to see what happens every step of the way. So we're back at the body shop here in Lexington. Our appointment's scheduled for 4 o'clock, so we've got some time to chill. We've got about 15 minutes. So sorry for the hiccups. I don't know where these came out of. It's very annoying. basically I'm hoping that they can actually get these off, and I'm hoping also that we can actually get the other mirror caps installed. I really wanted to get it done yesterday, but as you saw, we accidentally cracked one of the mirror caps trying. So we're gonna try again today, and they're actually letting me come back in one of the bays to film the process.
Perfect. I put your right at the side.
Okay.
A lot of times when you buy aftermarket stuff like
You have to like bend a little bit.
Yep.
I'm actually gonna have to extend this video series as far as the carbon fiber mirror caps. Unfortunately, they did not fit, so I'm having to return them. Next option is I'm still looking at new mirror caps, but another option is getting the current mirrors wrapped. So I'm actually about to go talk to a wrap shop here in just a second and see what they give me a quote for as far as wrapping the mirrors and stuff like that. And hopefully all goes well, and this is going to conclude today's video. I will keep you all updated on this mirror job as I go. So thank you all for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button and hit that little bell icon so you get notified every time that I upload a video. I'm headed to Texas Wednesday, so like I said before, I'm going to try to get some filming done there. Don't know exactly if I will or not, but we'll see. I'll see you all in the next video.